Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel where we unveil the secrets of YouTube success. Today we are having an exciting topic to discuss that has been gaining popularity among content creators, that is YouTube automation. However, this is the second video of our How to YouTube Automation series. If you want to learn from the basic level of YouTube automation, then you must check out our first video of this series. The link to the first video is mentioned in the description box. If you've ever wondered how to optimize your YouTube channel and save time, this video is for you. So let's dive into the world of YouTube automation. But before starting the video, I want to share with you that whatever we will earn from this video, we are going to donate 9% of our total earnings to the education of unprivileged children. In fact, 9% of the total earning from this channel. Our vision is that every child will be educated in India by the end of 2034. If you want to join us and be a helping hand in our journey, then do subscribe to the channel, and if you will gain anything from the video, do like it and comment to let us know. Your contribution will help some unprivileged children to educate, and that would be a great support from your end. So guys, must subscribe to our channel and give a thumbs up to this video series. The topic that we are going to discuss in this video session are: why YouTube automation? Few examples channels. How does YouTube automation work? Hence, this video is going to be very informative and helpful if you are a content creator or an aspiring YouTuber. So stay in this video till the end. Now let's move on to our first topic, which is why YouTube automation? You must be thinking, why should you consider YouTube automation? Well, as a content creator, your time is precious. You need to focus on creating high quality content, engaging with your audience, and growing your channel. As the YouTube platform continues to grow exponentially, content creators are constantly seeking ways to streamline their processes, save time, and maximize their video output. That's where YouTube automation comes into play. Automation can help you streamline repetitive tasks, increase efficiency, and ultimately free up more time for what matters most, your content. It enables creators to automate various aspects of their channel, allowing them to focus on content creation, engagement with their audience, and overall channel growth. Automation can help you produce quality content in two ways. Number one, efficiency and time savings hosts. Automation tools can help with tasks like video editing, thumbnail creation, keyword research, and scheduling uploads. By automating these time-consuming activities, you can dedicate more time and energy to producing high-quality content and building a strong online presence. Number two, consistency and frequency host. Consistency is key on YouTube. Automating processes ensures that your channel maintains a regular upload schedule, which is crucial for retaining and growing your subscriber base. By automating tasks, you can efficiently produce and publish videos, increasing your channel's visibility and engagement. Montage of successful automated YouTube channels. Now, I think you have understood why, as a content creator, automation is important. But the question also arises that which type of channels have been automated and are successful in the present era? So let's have a look. Example 1. Cooking channels. Now, take the example of a cooking channel. With automation, they can schedule their video uploads, optimize titles and descriptions, and even automate the process of sharing their content on social media platforms. This allows them to consistently deliver new recipes to their audience without spending excessive time on manual tasks. Some of the popular automated YouTube channels are Tasty, Binging with Babish, Laura in the Kitchen, Nisha Madhulika, Tarla Dal, Heber's Kitchen, Rajshri Food, Bon Appetit, Kabita's Kitchen, and many more. Example 2. News channels. Another good example of an automated channel is a news channel. By using automation tools, they can monitor trending topics, curate relevant news articles, and create video scripts based on the latest updates. This helps them stay ahead of the competition and deliver timely content to their subscribers. If looking at popular examples of automated news channels are Newsy, Reuters, Bloomberg, Now This News, The Young Turks, etc. Example 3. Gaming channels. Gaming channels are also highly benefiting from automation. They use tools to schedule live streams, set up automatic video thumbnail generation, and even analyze data to identify popular game genres and trends. This allows them to focus on playing games and interacting with their audience, while the automation takes care of the technical aspects. For example, PewDiePie, Markiplier, The Rat Brad, Jack Spicy, Beats Boy, Shub, Dynamo Gaming, Mortal, and many more. Now let's take a look at a few successful YouTube channels that have effectively utilized automation to grow their presence and increase their productivity. Number 1. Tech Guru Host. Tech Guru, a popular technology review channel, has implemented automation to enhance their workflow. They use automated software to generate video transcripts, saving time on manual transcription. This allows them to generate captions and translations quickly, making their videos more accessible to a global audience. Number 2. Fitness Freak Host. Fitness Freak is a fitness and nutrition channel that regularly publishes workout videos. They employ automation to create customized workout plans for the subscribers, and by utilizing automation tools, they can efficiently generate personalized plans based on the user preferences, making their content more engaging and tailored to their audience. Number 3. Travel Vlog Host. Travel Vlog, a travel channel, leverages automation to speed up their video editing process. They use AI-powered video editing software that automatically selects the best footage, applies filters, and adds background music. This allows them to produce visually appealing travel vlogs quickly, capturing their audience's attention and enhancing their viewing experience. So, there are some examples of some popular automated YouTube channels that are streaming successfully. Now, let's know how actually this YouTube automation works. Now that we've seen the benefits and examples of YouTube automation, obviously many of you will have a question that how this automation actually works. So, have patience as this video section is going to clear up all your confusion regarding this. Actually, YouTube automation involves using various tools and softwares to automate repetitive tasks such as video uploads, video optimization, social media sharing, and analytics. These tools can range from scheduling software and content management systems to data analytics platforms and AI-powered algorithms. For instance, you can use scheduling software to upload and publish your videos at specific times, ensuring consistency and reaching your audience when they are most active. You can also optimize your video titles, descriptions, and tags using AI algorithms that analyze keywords and trends, helping you improve your video's visibility and reach. Additionally, automation can extend to social media platforms where you can automatically share your video content, engage with your audience, and even respond to comments. This helps you maintain an active presence across multiple platforms without the need for constant manual intervention. In brief, YouTube automation actually works in certain ways, such as number 1, content creation host. Automation tools can assist with various stages of content creation. For instance, you can automate the transcription of your videos, making it easier to generate captions and translations. You can also automate the creation of thumbnails, saving time and ensuring visually appealing images for each video. Number 2, video editing host. Automation can speed up the video editing process. AI-powered software can analyze your footage and automatically select the best clips, apply filters and adjust lighting, and even add background music. This significantly reduces the time spent on manual editing tasks while maintaining video quality. Number 3, SEO optimization host. Automation tools can help with keyword research, suggesting popular search terms and tags that can enhance your video's discoverability. Additionally, you can automate the process of sharing your videos across various social media platforms, increasing their reach and driving more traffic to your channel. YouTube automation can be a game changer for content creators. By automating repetitive tasks, you can save time, increase efficiency, and focus on what you do best, creating amazing content. We explored the benefits of YouTube automation and saw examples of successful channels that have implemented automation strategies. We also discussed how automation works, from scheduling uploads to optimizing titles and descriptions, and even automating social media engagement. If you are looking to take your YouTube channel to the next level and optimize your workflow, consider exploring YouTube automation tools and strategies. Remember, automation is a tool that can enhance your productivity, but it is important to maintain a balance and ensure that your personal touch and creativity shine through in your content. I hope you liked this second video of our How to YouTube Automation series. If you found this video beneficial for you, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. If you find that any topic missing in this video or you are left with any confusion, you can leave comments. We will surely try to cover those topics in our next videos of the series. Also, press the bell icon given below in order to get the new video updates on our channel. Thank you for tuning in to our video today. We hope you enjoyed it and found it informative and helpful. We suggest you read the 3 books mentioned in the description and share the leftover information with us through commenting. So guys, that's it for today's video. See you in our next video.